Stop shooting in the yo, cause we all got together. Whether you quick blood up the hill, down the hill, we all family. North, east, stars, Mount Clair. Anybody got a beef with y'all, they got a beef with us, and we too strong to mess with one. Throw this back up. We did this video in Raleigh Park. Right there up the hill, Raleigh. Who know where Raleigh Park is? Where my little cousins at? Where my cousins at? Yeah, what's up? Where my cousins at? Where my cousins at? All is it, baby. Yeah, they're my cousins up there. This is a story about the drifter. We're waiting for the worst and the best of course now. You never played on heaven, so big. It's a man that don't have to. I was one who never had it all with me. Never knew my dad. I was what the man. Anyway, I did take a look at that. Let me take a quick look. I couldn't get a job. Every day was not a lie. My mama went the phone and all she had to tell me out. I went to shit, which is a people want to hit. They got a big ass nigga in money. I threw a phrase. I wasn't paid. I know. I could go because I couldn't. I got down. I got something like this. I got to take it up. I never quit. Like the Indies in the tank, I feel like don't show a lot of credit when they kill. What a god, because I'm a fat. Why did I have to live a life was in the past? Why when I was a kid and played I was a ass? And always on the time later like it's a rap. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Keep on. Passive, pulling to the project, living in the slums with process and I'm you don't have to be like it. Always in a place. That you dance around your name. Oh, it's always right.